So the one thing we also need to pay attention to with the charts is London highs and London lows. So we won't have London highs marked out obviously because they're marked. They've already been taken. So this is ICT kill zones and pivots, TFO. You can use this indicator for it to automatically find the lowest point of Asia session, Asia session, London session, and just previous sessions. So we got New York PM low, etc., etc. You understand the point. So these are great draws in liquidity when we're coming into the market. So we've got these lows marked out. Sometimes we're in between, so we haven't taken the high or taken the low, and sometimes we can just be in between. So we mark both out, or we have previous highs, the Asia highs, etc. So this is a great thing to take into account because it's a great type of draw on liquidity. However, sometimes we don't always quite get the setup, which for today, for example, we didn't get the setup. You see, we just drop and we come down and we absolutely smash through London lows, right? So we set London lows here. And another thing I want you to pay close attention to with the London lows is we got London lows, but look at the amount of equal lows we got down here. So we got a huge liquidity pool down here from the equal lows, but we've also got the London lows, right? So there's stop losses resting in this area. Many stop losses resting in this area. So this is a huge liquidity target for us. So this is what we was targeting today. We was looking for London lows, and we kind of hope to get a setup. However, as you can see, boom, boom, no setup. So once we shoot London lows, we go, okay, all right, cool, no problem. What's happening now? So we've got Asia lows below. So we've got Asia lows here, which is 18 points away. So it's unlikely for us to not sweep Asia lows. But another thing we also take into account is, okay, Nasdaq swept London lows. ES is all the way up here still. Let's say all the way. It's not massively far, but we've got a huge bullish SMT right now. So we're not going to want to try catch a reversal immediately like this off of this. But if it shows and it's dominant and it's very clear that we're coming straight back up, then we have no problem. We'll work it out. We'll work out the SMT, the convictions, etc. We'll work out everything that goes into the trade and think, is this suitable enough for us to take it? So we'll let it play. We show you what happens. We come up, come back down, and I'm pretty sure we just chop around a little bit. And whilst I was chopping around, and people were probably looking for longs here, ES was climbing down. So ES made its way down to London lows, and I think it swept London lows. Okay, or it created more equal lows of London lows. So it took ES a little bit just to catch up, but it caught up in the end. It does end up sweeping London lows. Nasdaq sweeps Asia lows, and ES sweeps Asia lows as well. So these are draws on liquidity that we could target. There was a nice 30-second that happened around here, something like that. And it worked really well. Unfortunately, it was a break even, so it clearly didn't work that well. But these are draws of liquidity that we need to look for in the market, because there's many times that we'll see London get swept or Asia get swept, and we have a huge reversal move after that. So they're great draws and liquidity for us to target.